Get back in your car. Because you're a f***ing loser.
Shut the f*** up and just keep on driving.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
No, we're getting out of the road! No! We're getting out of the road!
What's up? What's up? I'll f*** you up right now.
Hey, please. You cannot make this a road rage incident, please. Please. Oh, God, please. Yeah, we're gonna stay right here. We have a camera. We saw you hit us.
You cutting me off from over there. Don't give me that
Raise my window up, please.
Don't worry about it. Put it down.
My dad, my car! My dad, my car!
Put it down.
My dad, my car!
You came into my lane. You came into my lane. I'm gonna get out of the road.
No, we're getting out of the road! No!
Hey.
We're getting out of the road! We're getting out of the road! Relax! Let's get out the... Yeah, we are! Get out of the way! We won!
Are you kidding me?
So Daddy,
Are you kidding me?
nobody.
Get back in your car, sir. Get back in your car, sir.
Come on. You want some?
I would like you to get
That's
back
where
in your
I stop,
car.
mother.
You need to calm down, dude.
Something.
Get back in your car.
Shut the f*** up.
Lights green.
Shut the f*** up.
Wow.
F*** you up in front of your kids, mother.
Wow. You're on camera, by the way. Good job.
What are you doing, idiot? What the f*** are you? What's up with you? What's up? I got you on camera. What I did was illegal. And what you were doing, what law? What law? What law? There ain't no law, you dumb
My wife is dying.
I don't give a what your wife did. You just tried to kill me. You old What are you doing? You just hit
I
me.
have 1 meter distance.
You just
I have
hit
1
me.
meter.
Why'd you just hit me?
I have 1 meter distance. I was just checking one camera.
When you put a finger on us, you
Just checking one
You were
camera.
this close to me. You can't be that close. You
I
gotta be
have
further
1
away.
meter. I have 1 meter distance.
Okay, pull over, man. I want your insurance information. Well, I have no damage to my bike. Your car's got a little bit of damage. You want to come look? See if it's okay?
because you put
I have 1 meter distance. So
But you hit me.
finger on us.
Yes, because you're so close. You were this close.
like going on.
We're not
Are you okay? Your car's okay? Yeah, okay, whatever.
I would suggest getting that and Pepto-Bismol, the actual stuff, and we got to get new sunscreen and bring down with us because apparently that shit's expensive.
Yeah. I was thinking I'm gonna... What? What? Wait, how do we know? Oh, please just let him go past us. Honey. How do we know this man? I don't understand.
Scumbag.
How do we know him?
Can I help you? Can I help you? Get back in your car. Get back in your car. Get back in your car. Because you're a loser. Because you're a loser. Because you're a loser. You're a loser.
It's a green light!
You're a loser.
What? What is your problem? You cut me off. Dude, you came around the corner at 100 miles an hour. No, I didn't. I was doing 33. Don't be a You don't be in there. You.
Now it is, sir. Huh? He can fun. They got my baby in the car, you piece of shit. You.
I can't move to that side. Move back. I'll move forward. Move back. Move back. I'm not jumping the curve, so move back. Move back the car. I'll move to this side. Can you move back the car?
Where are you gonna move?
I'm gonna move to this side.
Let's move in that parking lot.
Why would I move in that parking lot? I live over there.
Where do you have to go?
I have to go over there. Ask these construction workers.
Where are you going?
I'm going inside, sir. Do you see the apartment?
Where?
Over there. There's a whole townhouses over there.
Is there really?
Yeah, okay. You have this. You tell him to move. I've been. Yeah, little
Fat, ugly chick.
off.
You, get the out of here. Go, move.
It's people exercising their road rage in their cars, expecting to get away with it every time, that are the real menace on these roads. You should just drive sensibly. and
Yeah, this was an assault.
restraint.
You're gonna hear from the police.
Are you kidding me, dude? What's up?
What's your problem?
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? Why don't you slow down?
I'm driving straight and you cut me off.
Like 80 miles an hour down the street.
I was doing 45, you dumb and you pull out and cut me off?
45?
Yes!
You're
and
a
I have
clown, dude.
And you have dash cam too, bro.
You're a freaking idiot.
I'm posting this on YouTube later. Go look it up.
You're an idiot.
Look it up, bro. And you followed me? Wow.
Everybody's just trying to cheat traffic.
Well, then speed up and go!
I know, speed up then! Don't run into me! What the f are you doing?
We have you on camera!
You're on camera, by the way. Bye.
Affordable TV packages like the Flex channel packs. They will kill your customers. Plus, when you sign up for this business, they'll give you the 2-year TV price.
What's wrong with you, bud?
So you won't get any surprise.
You!
Business. With customized entertainment.
What's up? I'll you up right now. You might want to get back in that car, mother. Get in the car, mother.